Hello students, today we are going to study about the economic factors that are affecting the density of population. Now what do you understand by the word economic? Economic means what? The factors which comes under the economy like market, influences which influences the business performance, means all the things which are related to economy, related to money or market and which influences the business performance, they are called as economic factors. Okay, now factors like agriculture, industry, transport, urbanization are also the set of important factors which affects the density of population. Now one by one we'll study the four factors. The first is agriculture. Now you all know that agriculture is the main occupation, the important occupation. Okay, so large number of people are engaged in the occupation, that is agriculture. Why? Because it provides raw material to the agro-based industries. Yes, along with cultivating the crops, it also provides the raw materials to the agro-based industry. Now intensive agriculture areas and plantation agriculture areas are has high population density. Now what is intensive agriculture? Now in intensive agriculture, a small area of land with high labor and capital is used to make maximum yield. So a small area over there, large amount of laborers or large amount of humans are required to cultivate or to use or to create the crops and to make a maximum yield. So such type of agriculture is known as intensive agriculture. Now even plantation agriculture means what? Monoculture. In this type of agriculture, what happens? A single crop, that is monoculture type of crop, is being cultivated. In this also large amount of labors are required. Hence these type of agricultures have high population density, whereas extensive agriculture has low population density. Now what is extensive agriculture? Extensive agriculture means what? Where a large area is brought under cultivation with the help of what? With the help of machineries, with the help of advanced technologies, or high amount of fertilization is used. So in such case what happens? Less labor is required because they use the latest technique. Hence extensive agriculture, in this there is lot of area used for the cultivation, but the thing is what? Instead of humans, the machines are used more. Hence this type of agriculture has low population density. Now the next is transportation. Now as you all know that transportation plays a vital role in the development and attracting a people. Now wherever the transportation facilities are good, ultimately the peoples are attracted to such places. Areas with good connectivity, accessibility has high population compared to the areas which are not accessible. Now you all know, whenever we purchase some property, whenever we purchase some flat, we all see what is near, whether the market is near, whether the school is near. So all these are connected with what? All these are connected with the transportation system. So wherever the transportation system is strong, such type of areas are highly populated areas. Hence transport directly affects the population of an area. Now the next is industries. Industries require high density of population due to the need of skilled, unskilled workers, business professionals, etc. Now you all know industry is a place where all type of workers are involved. The workers which are skilled, the workers which are unskilled, semi-skilled, the professionals, okay, well-educated people, uneducated people. So all type of people are required in the case of industries. Industries require large amount of workers, is concentrated in a specific location. So wherever industries are there, at such places there is large amount of workers, they are concentrated in a specific location. All the industrial areas have high density of population. So wherever industries are located, all the industrial areas always have high density of population, whether it is any type of industry. Okay. Now the last is urbanization. Now what is the meaning of urbanization? Now wherever there is a good development, good amenities, good medical facilities, good transportation, good education, good employment, such type of area is called as urban area. Now the new emerging and well developed areas attract the huge amount of people due to its location qualities, which leads to urbanization. So what is urbanization? A new emerging area, a well developed area which attracts lot of people. Why? Because of its qualities. Qualities like what? What are the qualities? Qualities like employment, education, medical facilities, transportation, civic amenities, entertainment. All these qualities attract the people from where? From rural areas to urban areas. This also leads to what? High standard of living. So all such types of things, they are going to affect the population density.